Hey everybody, we are back. We took a little mini vacation up at the lake, but we are back and we're ready to get to work on firewood, the farmhouse, and getting things winterized for the winter. So today I'm going to show you how I've been using foam to seal up the house. And I'm doing it a little bit different than other people do it. Here's the wall we're going to be working on. I'm going to finish taking down the drywall, take down the insulation, and then we're going to seal up the cracks on the exterior wall. So let's get started. So luckily for us, most of this wall already had insulation. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to take this insulation out. We're going to reuse it, but for now we're going to take the insulation out. Because when you do that, look what we have. Look at that gap. So we are going to fill in these gaps with foam. Every single one. So I'm going to pull all this insulation out and then we'll get to foaming. Well, we have a new problem here at the Mallard 5 farmhouse. Look at this. 75 degrees. That is a first for having that problem here. That's about 45 degrees outside. And now, since we have all of these cracks foamed up, we are stopping a lot of cold air from coming through the walls. So I'll wait for this foam to dry up and we'll throw the insulation back up there. And we ought to notice a big difference in our firewood use and being able to heat this house up quick. Hey everybody, here we are at the end of October and I still have a field that I haven't got the brush hogged yet because a tree fell down in the spring and covered the trail where I take the tractor up. I can get the side-by-side up there, but I can't get the tractor up there. So I'm gonna go up there and cut that tree out, and then we'll come back, put the brush hog on the tractor, get that brush hogged, and then I have a couple trees that are down up there that I want to get cut up and put into firewood for the woodshed. So we're going to do that today. my favorite, pumpkin pie. So I finally got the top field mowed, and the reason I did that was so that I could go up and cut, I think, about 6 trees down. There's going to be cherry and locust up there. So I'm going to be cutting firewood for next year. So stay tuned for that video. Also, we've been challenged again by Laura from Life of Laura. If you haven't checked out her channel, please do. She's challenged us and the 1806 StoneHouse to a spooky challenge, we'll say. So stay tuned for that video. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, everybody take care.